Pleasure doing business, Steve Ford.
That's good.
I'm Leanne Ford, and this is my brother, Steve. Even when we were kids, we kind of knew how things were going to turn out.
Oh,
Steve was always the handyman,
Oh, yeah.
and I was always the creative one. Love you, Steve.
Love you, Leanne.
Now, we take on quirky homes
Something you would want to keep or something you would want to
100% keep it, and turn them into works of art.
oh my goodness!
Can you make me look good before we go see them?
That's better.
Thanks.
We're at Laura and Ben's house today, and we're talking to them about what we're going to do with their beautiful craftsmen. I grew up with Laura, same high school, same lacrosse team.
On your mark, get set, go! We bought my old piano teacher's house. It was really easy for us to envision living here, considering the fact that we live across the street.
Yeah. Ooh, Mary. I see.
Not a lot has changed since I was here when I was little, which makes it fun and nostalgic, but now we really want to make it our own and make it different. Our budget for the project is $80,000. Kind of want to keep those bones, but at the same time, just have some flow and some continuity where we kind of know what's going on. I like to know what everybody's doing.
I love this house. I love this neighborhood. I love those brick roads.
Yeah, I'd love to see what you do here.